Welcome to this presentation on Scrum, the most widely adopted agile framework for software development. I'm your guide, Professor Hermes, and today we'll explore the principles, roles, events, and artifacts that make Scrum work and how real software teams deliver value sprint by sprint. Scrum is not a methodology. It is a lightweight framework that helps teams solve complex problems through empirical process control. Three pillars uphold it: transparency, inspection, and adaptation. When work is visible, inspected frequently, and adapted based on what we learn, teams improve continuously. The Scrum team consists of three accountabilities. The product owner maximizes the value of the product resulting from the work of the Scrum team. The Scrum Master serves the team by enabling Scrum practices and removing impediments. The developers are the professionals who create any aspect of a usable increment each sprint. The product owner owns the product backlog, an ordered list of everything needed in the product. They are accountable for its content, availability, and ordering. The product owner decides what to build next, and the team decides how much they can deliver in a sprint. The Scrum Master is a true leader who serves the Scrum team and the organization. They coach the team in self-management and cross-functionality, help remove impediments, and ensure Scrum events take place and are productive. The Scrum Master serves the product owner by facilitating stakeholder collaboration and backlog management. Developers are the people in the Scrum team who create the product. They are self-managing. They decide who does what, when, and how. No one, not even the Scrum Master or product owner, tells them how to turn product backlog items into an increment of value. Cross-functionality means the team has all skills necessary to create value. Scrum defines 5 events. The sprint is the heartbeat, a fixed-length iteration of 1 month or less. Sprint planning kicks off the sprint. The daily Scrum is a 15-minute inspection of progress toward the sprint goal. The sprint review inspects the outcome with stakeholders. The sprint retrospective inspects the process and creates improvement actions. 3 artifacts provide transparency. The product backlog is the single source of work. The sprint backlog is the plan for the sprint. The selected product backlog items plus a plan for delivering them. The increment is the sum of all completed product backlog items, meeting the definition of done, usable by stakeholders. The definition of done is a shared understanding of what complete means. It creates transparency and ensures the increment is truly releasable. Without it, teams ship unfinished work. With it, stakeholders can trust that done means done, tested, integrated, documented, and deployable. Sprint planning answers 2 questions. What can we deliver this sprint, and how will we do it? The product owner presents the objective. Developers select items and create a plan. The sprint goal emerges, a single objective that gives coherence. The sprint backlog is the output, selected items plus the delivery plan. The daily Scrum is for the developers by the developers. 15 minutes, same time, same place. They inspect progress toward the sprint goal and adapt the sprint backlog. 3 questions guide it. What did I complete? What will I do next? Is anything blocking me? It is not a status report to the Scrum Master. It is a planning event for the team. The sprint review is a working session, not a demo. The Scrum team and stakeholders inspect the increment and adapt the product backlog. What was done? What changed in the environment? What should we do next? The product backlog may be reordered, new items added, or assumptions invalidated. The sprint review informs what comes next. The sprint retrospective is the team's dedicated time to inspect themselves. People, relationships, process, tools, nothing is off limits. The Scrum Master facilitates. The output is at least one actionable improvement for the next sprint. Continuous improvement is not optional. It is built into the framework. Software delivery in Scrum flows through the sprint. Product backlog refinement prepares items. Sprint planning commits to a sprint goal. Daily Scrums keep the plan alive. Development creates the increment. The sprint review validates with stakeholders. The retrospective improves the system. Repeat. Each sprint produces a potentially releasable increment. Scaling Scrum. When one team is not enough, multiple Scrum teams work from a single product backlog. Nexus, Scrum at scale, and safe add coordination and layers, but the core remains. One product owner, one product backlog, multiple Scrum teams, each with their own Scrum Master and developers. Integration happens continuously. Common pitfalls: treating Scrum as a process to follow rather than a framework to think with. Skipping the retrospective. Having a proxy product owner. The Scrum Master assigning work. No definition of done. Sprint goals that are just lists of tasks. The antidote is always the same. Return to the 3 pillars: transparency, inspection, adaptation. Scrum works because it embraces uncertainty. Software development is complex. We discover what to build by building it. Short sprints limit risks. Empiricism guides decisions. The team owns the how. Stakeholders see progress every sprint. When done well, Scrum delivers value early and often, and the team gets better at delivering value over time. Thank you. Scrum is simple to understand, difficult to master. The rules are few. The discipline is ongoing. If you take one thing away, make your work visible, inspect it frequently, and adapt without hesitation. That is the heart of Scrum and the heart of building great software.